Hi everyone, we're going to evaluate the definite integral from -1 to -2 of 2 divided by x squared plus 1 divided by x dx using the fundamental theorem of calculus. Alright, if you notice our upper limit is smaller than our lower limit. We're going to fix that momentarily, but right now let's just split this up. So I'm going to write this as two integrals, and I'm going to pull out the 2 and write this as 2, and I'm going to keep my limits the way they are for now. And this is going to be 1 divided by x squared. Let's go ahead and write this x squared as x to the power of -2 dx. And then we're going to have plus the integral of -1 to -2 of 1 divided by x dx. Alright, now that we have that, we can change our limits. And the way you change your limits is if you want to change these and flip them around, you have to change the sign in front. So I can write this as -2, and I'm going to put my larger number, -1, and then my smaller number here. And then do the same thing for this one. So instead of a plus, it's going to be minus. Then we write -1 for the upper limit, -2 for the lower limit of 1 divided by x dx. Alright, so doing these separately, for this piece, when you integrate it, you're going to get -2, and this is going to be -x to the power -1, because you're adding 1 here. And we're going to evaluate this from -2 to -1. Minus, this is going to be natural log or log. It doesn't matter. I'll just put log. Log of absolute value of x. And we're evaluating this from -2 to -1. So if I can squeeze this in here a little bit, when you substitute in a -1 here, you're going to get -2. And when you substitute in -1, that's going to give you 1. When you substitute in -2, that's going to be -1/2. Alright, minus, then we have to do the 2 part. So that's going to be, oh, we already did the 2. Alright, so now let's do this one. So this is going to be minus log of -1, or log of 1 is just 0. So that's going to be 0 minus log of 2. Alright, and what happens here, this is going to equal 1, or -1, because you're going to have -2 plus 1. So that's going to give you -1 plus, you have 2 negatives here, log of 2. So that will be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.